Hello everybody, welcome back to my 1 minute video book. In this session, I'll be talking about the Aadhaar bill. The Indian government recently passed the Aadhaar bill in Lok Sabha, and now onwards, Aadhaar has a legal status. Although it is not compulsory, it is necessary in many occasions to produce Aadhaar card as an identification means. The Aadhaar bill plans to use the identification number issued by the Unique Identification Authority of India called UIDAI to deliver state subsidies directly to hands and actually the bank accounts of beneficiaries. Aadhaar was first mooted as the Indian equivalent to Social Security number in the US. Although other bill has been passed in the parliament and it has become a legal basis, it is not compulsory yet. Other is not compulsory yet. The bill is careful in stating that every resident is entitled to an Aadhaar number, but it also specifies that the government may require an individual to enroll for Aadhaar to verify his identity for receiving subsidy or government service. Now it is time to ask the question why Aadhaar is very important. The government has been offering many kinds of subsidies and monetary payments to the economically weak. But as these payments trickle down from the center via a long chain of intermediaries to the final beneficiary, a lot of it is being lost in corruption, leakages, and bribes. The government is now keen to reduce these leakages by crediting the subsidies directly into the bank accounts of the recipient through what is known as JAM initiative, Jandan Bank Account Aadhaar Number and Mobile Number. JAM is expected to sharply reduce the center subsidy bill. For instance, there are about 17.8 crore LPG connections in India, and the government subsidies 10 cylinders every year per family. In 2015, it rolled out an initiative asking the affluent to voluntarily give up their subsidies, and the commenced direct transfer of LPG subsidy into the bank accounts of the householders seeking it. The other bill directly affects you in two ways. One, with the government now having a right to ask you for Aadhaar, the ID may soon become essential for you to avail any subsidy or services from the government. So, if you have been putting off enrollment for Aadhaar, it may be time to do it. Number two, there are concerns that one citizen shares so much information with the government, including sensitive stuff such as fingerprints, this may be vulnerable to data theft or misuse by the authorities. A case on whether the implementation of Aadhaar number intrudes into the privacy of person is currently pending in Supreme Court. Why should one care about Aadhaar? The Aadhaar bill has some safeguards in place to address privacy concerns. The UIDAI is not permitted to share information relating to any individual, be it personal details such as date of birth or biometrics, except for two circumstances mentioned in the section 33 of the bill. First, in the interest of the national security, a joint secretary in the central government may issue a directive to reveal your details. This decision will be reviewed by an oversight committee comprising of cabinet secretaries, secretaries of legal affairs and electronics and IT, and will be valid for 6 months. Two, courts may order that an individual biometric and demographic information be revealed. The bottom line of Aadhaar card is that Aadhaar is going to become more and more important, also an essential. True that there are data privacy and surveillance concerns, but there is a bright side. Just a single Aadhaar can now stand in for the multiple government documents, ration card, PAN, bank statements that an individual juggle with it to get ID'd. So it is not necessary that you carry any other document nowadays as long as you are carrying an Aadhaar. In addition to this, Aadhaar being also available on electrical format, and with this in combination with DigiLocker given by the Indian government for each citizen, it is far easier today to store your document and share that document and overcome this hassle of paper-based documents.